What's the meaning of aiding? Aiding. 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 The term aiding refers to the act of providing help or support to someone or something in need. Aiding can take many forms, such as providing financial assistance, offering guidance or advice, or lending a physical hand. The result of aiding can be positive, as it can help individuals or organizations overcome challenges and achieve their goals. However, it's important to note that aiding should be done responsibly and ethically, with consideration given to potential long-term consequences and unintended impacts on the recipient.